It's another day, another tap. This is number 8. Ah, this isn't good, man. I'm changing. Okay, our starter again. Right there. Starter, 98 Honda CRV. That's right under here. Always disconnect the battery. It's 10mm right here. Take this off. So I'm removing the gearbox. 10mm here, 10mm here. It just comes out. Of course, you wanna. This is a spring clip on. Get that out. We got some electrical to disconnect. I believe this is 12mm under this. I'll tell you in a second. This should just unplug. And then we got to get the bracket off of these wires. I mean, I can't see it. There we go. Right there. That's it. I used a screwdriver just kind of to wedge it off there. And that bolt is, well, going to break. It breaks, but we'll put it back on. That's 12mm right there. The electrical for the starter, it's 12mm. Just going to crank it up. There's a washer on it, so be careful not to lose that washer. Shouldn't it? And then this pops off. Next we're going to remove this bolt right here that's holding the harness for the electrical. 10mm. Pretty longer than I thought, but there we go. The harness comes off like that. Go over there. Then we're going to stuff this back there. And our starter is right here. Move this small relay plug. And that just pulls out just like that. Got another bolt on the starter. These are 14mm. There's one of them. And the other one is dropped. It's tucked under there. I've got the rash on there with the breaker. A little hard to see, but it's right here. There, that one right there. We got room there to put the ratchet on there. Here we go. Broke that loose. Top on it. This comes out. Sorry, I got it. So 14, like that, right here. Pull it out. 14, like that, right there. So we got the top and the bottom off. The starter should just slide out. There it is. So this is the old starter. This is the new one. I called up Tampa Honda. It was $724 to change. I got this for $40, so I'm doing this job for $40. Old starter is out. Getting ready for our new used starter. Where our 14mm bolts go. So we're gonna stick it in there. Slides in there like this, and match those bolts up. Then just by hand, I stuck the 14s in there, and I'm turning them by hand with the extension and 14mm. Now that one's good. We're going to get to this one right here. Same thing. Just turn it by hand. You might have to lift the starter. Finish it up. You feel around, you can get it. There, as you can see. Right over there, that's where the harness. We just finished tightening up that harness. Now we're going to hook up the electrical. Tighten that up. Plug this in. We're going to finish tightening this up. And this did break off, but we're going to still use it to cap it. Starter is complete. Now it's time to put the gearbox back on right here in this area. Put this back in there. Well, hopefully it'll be easier, which it has to connect to the bottom. That's the problem. And we're going to line this up on there. There. Push it back in. I used, this was a 10mm, 12mm, 14mm. Had the extension on there, as well as a smaller 10mm. I needed a screwdriver, and I had this 10mm as well. It's basically all you need is 10, 12, and 14. Big ratchet. Let's see what happens. Whoa, it started up. So no more hammer in the back, hammer taps. Hopefully I'll get about 3 years out of this one, as I did the other $40 one. Please like and subscribe.